You've probably seen these cool transparent keyboard overlays floating on screen, right? Well, today I'll show you how to make that same effect in After Effects. First, take your phone and record the screen while you're typing. Next, import your video into After Effects. Now create a mask around the keyboard area. If needed, open the mask properties and adjust the shape, expand or shrink the mask until it fits just right. Now, apply the color key effect to your footage. Use the eyedropper tool to pick the color you want to remove. The color will start to disappear. To clean it up completely, play with the color key settings, like tolerance and edge feather. These settings will be different for every video, so adjust until it looks right. Once your background is removed, it's time to make it pop. Apply the Deep Glow effect. You can copy the exact settings shown on screen, or tweak them to match your style. Next, apply the S_drop shadow effect. Again, you can follow the settings from the video to get that soft, floating look. And that's it. Your transparent keyboard overlay is done, glowing, clean, and floating just like you see in viral edits. Try it on your next reel or tutorial to give it a pro look. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite editing effect. See you in the next one.